Hey everybody, I'm Raksha, and in this video I'll be talking about the Q&A button in Power BI. So let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, I've got these many pages: market share, YTD category, sentiment, growth opportunities, and these are all visuals which are related to sales and marketing. Okay. Now there may be chances that I may come up with some question and answers. So for that, what I can do it is I can create a new blank page, and here if I just double click here, so you shall see that we have Q&A visual right here on my screen. So these are some by default questions that are suggested by Power BI. So there is this other option as well where you can achieve the same feature using a button. So for that, what you will do is I will just click on this button, insert a new button, and will hit blank. I'll bring this button right here. I'll open the style, turn on the text, and I will just call it as Q&A button. Okay. And with this, I want to turn on an action for this button. So I'll turn on the action. And in the action, we have different types. So if I just click on type, I will see that I have got this Q&A button. So now the action Q&A is assigned to this particular button. Okay. So now if I control click on this, so you shall see that we have again achieved this Q&A visual right from the button. So this is how we can do it. So I hope this was pretty easy and simple. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.